The haircut, the foundational act of hair upkeep, can range from sensible thrift to fashionable waste. Many people have admitted they wouldn't pay a penny to trim hair that will grow back regardless when it comes to hair spending. It's fairly simple to comprehend. All you need is a pair of scissors, a comb, and a pal with 20/20 eyesight. On the other hand, some people have shelled out the equivalent of a down payment on a house just to ting their mane. Hello and welcome to this channel. Before going further, please subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. In this video, we will be talking about some of the most luxurious barber shops and the most expensive haircuts of all time. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Art of shaving. A hot face towel, pre-shave oil, straight razor shave, desert rose face mask, face massage, and a spritz of aftershave are included in the popular $55 Royal Shave. The art of shaving, which has 30 locations around the nation, is credited for inventing, or, depending on your perspective, revitalizing the fashion. A-list celebrities like Will Smith, Tobey Maguire, Ben Affleck, and Rudy Giuliani have been clients. Barbershop Lounge. In April, Bruce Miller debuted his barbershop lounge on Newbury Street in Boston. A haircut, hot towel shave, hand and foot treatment, 60-minute massage and shoe sheen are all included in the $250 Platinum package. Outfielder Jacoby Ellsbury of the Red Sox, linebacker Eric Alexander of the New England Patriots, and guard Scott Pollard of the Celtics are all athletes. The Shave of Beverly Hills. This Hollywood barbershop serves a sparkly, probably heavily intoxicated clientele. Customers can select from Scotch, bourbon, whiskey, or lager. The 45-minute process for the $75 signature shave starts with a heated towel, followed by an enzyme cleaning, a steam towel, an application of pre-shaved skin food, more hot towels, hot shaving cream, and a glycerin-based emollient. The process continues with more towels, skin meals, skin toners, a shave using 2 different kinds of razors, an ice-cold towel finish, and a face and neck massage. Given that this is Hollywood, getting your beard on site will cost you $900. Shaving Company of New York. With its red brick walls, century-old items like Truefit and Hill & Taylor of Old Bond Street, and crystal chandeliers, this tonsorial parlor prides itself on taking its patrons back to the purportedly more macho pre-World War II era. The vintage barber chairs were created between 1850 and 1901 and were purchased in an antique store in Pennsylvania. In the Shaving Laboratory, the shop offers a free shaving consultation with a master barber who can help you achieve the ideal shave while charting your hair growth. The Grooming Lounge. The Grooming Lounge uses the Gillette Mac 3 razor, not a straight razor, for its shaves in its locations in Washington, D.C., Atlanta, and Tysons Corner, Virginia. Why would you use a blade designed 200 years ago? Queries Michael Gilman, a co-owner. He and his partner, Piru Sarsha, founded their first shop in D.C. in 2002. 7 hot towels, 3 applications of hot shaving cream, beard destroyer lotion, created by the company's barbers, and shaving oil are all included in the $55 signature shave. The $450 Supreme Court package includes a mani-pedi, facial cleansing, massage, and shaving. Gilman emphasizes the manly gravity of his stores by saying, "It's not a bachelor party with a bunch of pretty females running about." What is the average price range for haircuts? We gathered a list of individuals who knowingly and voluntarily spent a significant sum of money on a complicated haircut. Even the most severe tightwads would consider the men and women on the list to be outrageously wealthy in the price range. Although there are equal numbers of men and women on our list, we believe that anonymous hair devas have spent thousands more in the decades since Kate Middleton's Chelsea Blowdry and Farrah Fawcett's Angel Waves in the 1970s. Whose heads are covered with these enormous manes, and what are the most expensive haircuts ever? Here is how we rank the products, from most expensive to most pricey. Number 10. Jennifer Lopez. Jennifer Lopez exclusively leaves her hair in the skilled hands of renowned hairstylist Ori B. Even the smallest trim of Lopez's 1-week-old new growth will cost you $400. Additionally, Ori B does not color hair, rather, the center of his art is the cut. Thus, he must be compensated more for his expertise and specialization. Number 9. Jennifer Aniston. The next person on our list, Jennifer Aniston, should not come as a surprise. She once made the world stop with the now iconic The Rachel cut she wore in Friends. The sitcom made its 6 main actors, both famous and wealthy. But Jennifer continued to be very well-liked with her timeless appearance due to her $600 per service haircut from stylist Chris McMillan, who came up with the Rachel for her. And Aniston keeps the layered bob effect no matter the season. Number 8. Rihanna. Given how frequently she visits celebrity hairstylist Ursula Stephen for hair services, Rihanna is unquestionably the recipient of the most costly haircut. According to reports, Rihanna needs roughly a week of constant hair care, the most important of which is cutting her hair occasionally to obtain the constantly evolving, daring styles she wears on and off stage. The amount totals over $2,000 per week. Number 7. Michael Douglas. The year was 1969, and actor Michael Douglas, then 25 years old, was getting ready for his role as Carl Dixon in the film Hail Hero. He had to have his long mane chopped for a scene in the movie where he drops out of school to join the army, costing $1,000, equivalent to $6,000 today, to the amateur barber who did the work. Douglas reportedly disliked his new haircut, but a Golden Globes Award nomination for Best Rookie of the Year made up for the strands he lost. He was defeated by Midnight Cowboy actor Jon Voight, though. Number 6. David Beckham. David Beckham, a recently retired soccer player, had his thick, fairly lengthy, massive hair smoothed and chopped to fulfill the terms of his endorsement deal with Brylcreem, a product for men's smooth, stylish hair. The cost is $6,000. The idea is to modernize Brylcreem's appearance and market it to current sporty guys in addition to traditional males with well-groomed hair. Number 5. Beverly Latio. Beverly Latio, an Italian billionaire from Pisa, had her hair cut for $16,000, making it the next most expensive haircut on the list. Stuart Phillips, a celebrity hairstylist in London's Covent Garden, completed the task. According to reports, Miss Beverly was unable to locate a good barber to give her long layers a new look, so Phillips of British magazines and Ladies Who Lunch fame was given the opportunity. The client had a service deluxe for her vacation, which included a limousine service, a champagne lunch, and a nice massage, among other things, so it wasn't just random spending after all. Number 4. Sultan Hassan Al Bolkiah. Hassan Al Bolkiah. The Sultan Hassan Al Bolkiah of Brunei ranks 4th on our list of most costly haircuts, paying his preferred barber Ken Modestu from the Dorchester Hotel in London an average of €24,000, approximately $31,000. Modestu has flown first class to the Sultan's location to do his task. For people whose annual income exceeds that amount, the price may be so extravagant as to make one drool. But for the Sultan, whose estimated net wealth is $17 billion, it is but a drop in the ocean. The Sultan's regal mane has been under Lucky Modestu's care for 16 years. Number 3. First Lady Mamie Eisenhower. Number 2. John Paul DeJoria. John Paul DeJoria, a co-founder of the hair care business John Paul Mitchell Systems and a self-proclaimed hair care expert, paid a stunning $40,000 to have his signature ponytail chopped off in January 2005. Liza Gibbons, a well-known TV personality rather than a hairstylist, performed the elaborate chop. Despite having a $4 billion net worth, DeJoria's family and friends also contributed to the cost of the haircut, which was given to the Red Cross International to help those affected by the tsunami in Asia. Number 1. Anne Hathaway. After the shoot, the award-winning actress sobbed uncontrollably for the murdered hair, which she had been cultivating for 3 years. But unlike Fantine, Anne's bravery in the name of her work was rewarded with a substantial, reportedly, $8 million salary. That makes it the most costly haircut to date in Hollywood. And how much are you willing to spend on a haircut? We have come to the end of the video. Don't forget to do these 3 things: like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. See you in the next video.